Well, the code for the robot is really too easy. It's the make code, and you can use blocks, JavaScript, or their uh, their Python. It's not the same as MicroPython. Uh, the uh, the code has a built-in a servo library, which is really easy to use. You just set the angle for the servo. The servo's hooked to 3 volts and to ground, and the 0 pin is where you get the message from. So it's the control wire is the yellow one, or the 0 pin. It's really a problem connecting to pins, unlike the Arduino, but super easy to use the make code. If you were going to use MicroPython, you'd have a little bit more trouble. There are a few libraries for servos, but they actually don't work that well, and you have to copy the servo on there. I tried some, but they were really, there was actually some GitHub code you had to change, and it was kind of difficult to get here. The light sensor isn't the LDR, but built-in light sensor on the that each of the LEDs are on the MicroPython. So that's kind of cool, and that's very easy to use. There's no circuit to hook up. You don't even have to define a variable. You simply call this built-in sort of constant that changes. Of course, a built-in variable that changes for light value, and you just check that and then run the servo. It's from the value it gives is from 0 to 255, a bit different than if you were reading a voltage from an LDR. Okay, so this is just a little description of the tiny little micro bit. Yeah, I think it would be a fun activity for a class.